Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Netflix account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Netflix account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address netflix.com and hit on enter. And after that you'll be directed to the home page of Netflix. Now guys, in order to log into your Netflix account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign in button available for us. Click on that sign in button, and over here guys you can see there is a place to enter, or the section to enter your email address and your password guys, but my computer has auto filled it for me, you can see. And you'll have to enter your email address or your phone number over here with which you have registered an account or Netflix, and enter your password over here guys. And after entering your email address and your phone number and your password, simply click on the sign in button over here. But guys, if you're getting some kind of error during your login process, or if your password are not matching, simply click on the need help button available over here, and then you'll be taken to a procedure or a page where you'll be able to solve your many of your problems or contact the customer care of Netflix. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Netflix account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.